I always be getting scared that people are actually watching me vlog. But we're about to get some food and it's mad busy, I'm not gonna lie. So let's go. So now we're pulling up to Winco.
I like this little thing. Yeah.
Show your fit.
Got the little, yeah, whatever those are called.
Bro, that's not how you do a fit check. Ooh, I'm gonna get myself one of these.
Get her an extra creamy milk chocolate.
We eating so healthy. I'm actually gonna put the cheeses back and get these. Bro. Usually I get cherry ice cream, but I got huckleberry ice cream, bro. I never actually found them in the grocery stores before.
I feel like they don't have huckleberry ice cream anywhere.
I'm gonna also get myself a True Fruit. These are so good. If you guys haven't tried these, oh my gosh. I'm gonna get some sweet tea, if you know me.
I got the Munchie Munch, but this is gonna be like $200.
He's literally speed walking like a mom. He be swerving.
I'm not swerving, I'm gonna roll.
Loud as hell.
Bro.
I'm gonna get some toilet paper. Oh my gosh, raspberry lemon. This sounds so gas.
Oh yeah.
All of the different cake things.
Banana nut.
This one sounds so gas. And it's pink. Oh. Healthy.
What part of this is healthy?
Healthy. Oh, I'm gonna eat my True Fruit on the road. This is my favorite, y'all. I also wanted to say I am taking a little break from YouTube as well because I am posting more on other platforms. I will still be posting YouTube videos, just probably not as often as weekly. I will be posting shorts. It's a little update.